Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to use quick login on Roblox. So the first step is to simply open Roblox on another device, and then what you have to do is simply go to login, and then as you can see you have to simply tap on use another device, and basically you're going to have a code. And keep in mind that this code is very important and you don't have to share it with anyone else besides you. And after you get that code, after you tap on use another device, you'll have to simply go to Roblox, and then you'll have to go to your account and go to your settings, then scroll down here and tap on quick login, and then you have to simply paste in that code, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.